Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith from Piece of Cake, and I wanted to take a very quick video to show you how I sew the sleeve onto the quilt top as I'm putting on the binding. There's the sleeve folded in half, raw edges extended 1/4 of an inch up onto the backing fabric, and then I sewed the binding on in the front, and there it is. It's sewn in place. All I have to do is turn the binding over it and the top of the sleeve will be fixed in place. I like doing it this way because that way it makes it harder to remove the sleeve in the future. I want the sleeve to stay on the quilt. The other thing I want to show you while I'm here is that I turn up just a little bit of the sleeve here so that there's room for the rod to go in the sleeve pocket. I'm on top of my wool mat so I can pin that all the way down through the wool mat. I use my iron to crease it. Then I turn the pins sideways. And the next thing I'm going to do is baste this in place near that edge to make it a little bit easier to hand sew the sleeve in place. And lastly, notice the binding clips. They're wonderful to hold the binding in place, whether you sew it by machine or by hand, which is my preferred method. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed these little tips. Thank you for watching, and may you have many happy stitches.